Alright guys, well, welcome back today. I just started tacking this in place. I'm going to finish welding this up, bang this out, and then we're going to get back to doing the other side and filling in them holes. Alright? So, got to bang this side out first. Josh, come here a minute. Hold this dolly up against here. Trying to get it as close as we could.
Right in here?
This all gets covered up anyway because there's a heater box goes here, but we're trying to get it close. At least it's nice and flush. I'm going to tack it all in place, and we'll grind it down smooth.
Oh, you put that in on it? Yeah. I'm going to put the pieces back here.
Hey, let me know in the comments. I need a quarter. You guys watching, you might know you're following this build, so you know more about El Caminos and stuff, but driver side tail light. I need the quarter panel on that side smashed real bad. So we're gonna have to pull it all out. See if somebody, if you guys, anybody can find me the back tail light. I'll show you the piece. Actually, let me do that right now before I forget. Let me show you what I need. I might have to pull this all out. I don't know if you guys seen this yet, but this quarter panel is whacked. But what I need is this. So if somebody has that, or this corner somewhere, yeah, I'm gonna have to straighten all this out by hand. That's gonna be another whole video probably, if not two. But if anybody has something like that, so driver's side 66 El Camino. All right. Now let me finish welding this stuff up, and yeah, leave me a comment or something if anybody has anything. I know there's a bunch of these cars around someplace, but I don't need the quarter. No, I'll fix the quarter, but unless somebody has a quarter and from there back, like from the gas tank back, gas cap back, Alright? So I'm going to finish welding this stuff. And then I'll show you when we're done. We're going to grind it up anyway, so I'll show you in a minute. Alright, so I got it lined up real nice. Got the molding to fit real nice. Right on the edge. I'm going to tack it in a couple of spots. And I'm going to spot weld it from the back in a couple of spots. Alright. We want it as flush as we can. Check the other side. Real nice like that. Nice fit. What I'm going to do is we're going to check the molding again. Make sure that fits. That's dead on the money. Right on the money. Tweak this little corner. Like that. And we got a beautiful fit. Okay? All comes out like that, would be great. That fits good. And now we can tweak it around the edges. Alright? I'm gonna make sure this fits. This thing gotta fit up inside there. And around. Same thing, we gotta cut this thing, you know that. So this thing fits like that. And that fits around the mold. And that goes right there like that. Nice clean fit. Alright. That goes like that. And the molding fits right in there. Now this thing don't fit the molding at all. So go figure that out. This is way off. It's way off. So now, is this wrong or that's wrong? Well, let's see. This is the original one. That one fits. So it's this piece of crap right here. So now we gotta form this to fit this. That's what happens when you're working with rotted pieces of crap. This is the original one. Here's the original hole. Yeah, that fits perfect. Originally just like that. In there. Oh well, one of them's got to fit. All right, well, at this point, we're going to end up using the old ones. I'm going to have to straighten them out, weld some tabs on the end, because there's no way to cut them new ones up and make them fit because you're cutting into the corner. So we're back to square one with those. that's all tacked in place. I'm going to finish welding that up. Then I'm going to do the other side and then grind everything clean. And then go to making, straightening them things out. Alright, so we got this all welded in. Got the back all tacked. Alright, so that's done. I got to grind all that clean. But now all this sits in the right spot. I got to add a piece here, add a piece underneath. And then we can mount the dash to it. We're going to sand down the dash and then put it in place once we know that's where it's going to go. I'm going to go do the other side, clean that side up, make that patch on the top. And then I'll just end up grinding everything at one time. Alright, well, we were able to straighten these out. Straighten them out. I just got to weld a little tab on this right here. Straighten the other one out. We fixed this corner down here. We'll put a patch on the, let me see if we can get in there, on the inside, back in there. I just got to put a little piece across here to meet this. These line up. Okay, all the other holes on the side line up good. And then now I'm working on this side. We got a hole here. Got the piece cut out like that. That's going to sit in here. It's going to sit back in there like that. Sit flush in there. And then we're going to straighten this side out here. Fill that in there. Put a little piece right here. A little piece there. And that's it for this side. And then I just got to weld this panel in here. Same thing. Fix this hole. Alright. Okie doke.